Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to x plus 2. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the x, because first derivative of x, we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. And this is the reason why we have the u equals to the x. This one we change by u. The x we change by the u. Next, we have the formula. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And I will put about c. So the integration of that one. So we put number 3 going here. And we have u to the power of 4 over 4. Because 3 plus 1 we have number 4. Similar for this one. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.